So, welcome to this Qigong video. This is going to go on, well, you've already found it, it's on the Animal Frolics playlist. And we're going to do a monkey form, which relates to the season. As own Qigong has a special season called late summer, which relates to the earth element, when they used to harvest the crops. And so monkey forms relate to that season and that element. It's to encourage, we always think of monkeys as being quite intelligent, very intelligent, inquisitive, curious creatures, very playful as well. So we all have this nature within us too. So it's just encouraging that kind of playfulness, nature. And also the other thing we think about, we quite often refer to like the monkey mind. And the mind can jump around lots of different things very quickly, can feel a bit overwhelming at times. So this form can help to just quieten that. So this is quite a playful form called Monkey Takes Earth Chi. So the monkey's going to like take a bit of Earth Chi while no one's looking, see if anyone's spotted him. So it's playful, but we're still going to do the breathing from the lower dantian. And it's very meditative and good for releasing tension as well in the body, which I'll show you how it goes. So we start off with our feet probably slightly closer together than the emptiness stance. And then I'll go through the actions first. So we start with our hands at the side, and we're going to take some earth chi. And then we're going to move our hand as we're breathing in. We're going to raise our hands up the center of our body. Then we're going to go up on our tiptoes. And then we're going to hide, just peep over your hand and scrunch your shoulders up, your neck, scrunch everything up on your upper body. Then as holding your breath, this time we're going to go to the left. Still holding your breath. Bring it back to center. And then you're going to breathe out through the mouth. Release the shoulders, relax the whole body as the hands come down. So again, taking that earth chi, gradually going up on our tiptoes, scrunching neck and shoulders, and everything up. Hold the breath. Peep to the right. Still holding the breath, come back to center, and then again, slow breath out. And lower the heels down as we're breathing out. And again, take that, take the chi, slowly up the body. Back to center, and then breathe out. Again, breathe out. So again, if you do get distracted, just bring your attention back to this gentle movement, the breathing, and see if we can be curious, inquisitive, like a monkey is. Encouraging that playful nature. So we'll do 2 more to each side. So it's breathing in as we take the chi. Hold the breath. Again to the right. So you're kind of peeping out to see if anyone's noticed that you've taken the chi, and now you're just going to let the chi come down the body. Don't worry if you wobble a little bit at first as well. It's just a little bit of practice. So it's obviously good for balance as well. Breathing in through the nostrils. And as you breathe out, just release all that tension we may have in our neck and shoulders. And then back, fingers pointed downwards, and release. So that's Earth takes Monkey Takes Earth Chi. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a way and practice, and just do it for as long as you feel comfortable with, and see if you can just notice that stillness within us. Yes, hopefully see you soon, or hopefully you'll join and have a look around the YouTube channel and these wonderful Qigong forms. Thank you.